No man is an island nga harapin. King Aldoldo biena ning tao malyaring milabas sa makitalamitam karing kabarana. At king pa makisabi, importante mo naman ing pa makiramdam. Inya naman, may ito nga programa ing dela na ning provincial capital na ning Pampanga kambing Starkey Hearing Foundation karing kabalin ang makiproblema king balugbog.
Foundation, our mission is to provide the gift of hearing to those in need, empower them to be themselves and to see their full potential. And with that motto, our founders, Bill and Tenny Aston, has given us the tools needed to provide this service. We've been fitting patients with hearing aids for more than 40 years. And we've started the community-based hearing healthcare program that got started in 2022, where we have trained local teams, local governments, and local partners to carry on the program in our absence.
Kasi alam niyo naman, napaka-importante yung pandinig, no? Lalo-lalo na sa mga bata. Kung na-diagnose sila ng maaga at nabigyan ng hearing aid, yung progress ng growth nila, lalo na sa learning mentally, malaking tulong yan, no?
Kilob na ning atlong aldong programang Hear the Difference Hearing Aid Assistance for Kapampangan sa amigumpisa inyong Domingo, August 4 at may pupus nga ning Martes, August 6, mabot laking 1,500 din karalang asupan. Aliya mo mapupus ang programa king libreng konsultasyon, hearing aids at orientation. Nunatin mo namang active care services para karing pasyente.
As patients have any issues with the hearing aids, or they need more batteries, or they need a different mold, or they need just more counseling on how to use the devices, there's a team that's going to be in place for them to reach out to and ask those questions. The intent of the team is to do follow-up visits on a monthly basis so patients can provide ongoing support that they need.
Miyaliwala ka na rin sang kanong bakit niya milalako o mimina panamdam ing meto nga individual.
So whether it's trauma, whether it's medication, whether it's meningitis, whether it's trauma, it varies. So for Philippines, we're seeing a varying amount of that as well. So not just aging, but also too just from education or from birth. I've noticed there's a lot of folks in Manila that have had no speech. They've been using sign language. So it just varies from as they go from region to region.
Samantala, aparte kay experience din pa mag-volunteer at pamamiya kasawpan king programa, matulala ka ng puso ring sablang sasawp king karelang gagawan.
Parang it is, what do you call it, epiphany, aha moment. If you see it, it's beyond words, a small boy hearing for the first time, yung boses ng nanay niya, o yung ating mga seniors, for the first time nadidinig yung boses ng anak. Regardless of the age group, it is always an emotionally charged moment. Hindi mo may iiwasang hindi maiyak. Parang nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso.
Hindi lang po yung mga nakatulong ako sa iba. Iba rin po yung talagang makapag-connect ka sa patient. Hindi lang yung skills lang po talaga ginagawa namin. Mas fino-focus po namin yung interaction namin sa patient and magkaroon sila ng magandang experience talaga.
Akit naman ka rin balang timan da rin pasyente swelong ikwara, kaya rirang midi ng hearing aid at may karamdam.
Basta mong daramdaman ko pre-quarantine dyan. Siyempre, pasalamat ko lalo na kaya kayo, pasalamat ko maragol. Apo aking nga pong Ginoo.
Sanda akong maklak. Tsaka yaya kumakirap karela, mimiwas ko. Tangkay kalyanda ka, munyaya ko harapan. May anak maki yung pukumpok. Amat kung maragul ka rin minda, kang gubang po kang bais. Dakala salamat karela. Ang dahil karela, may balik yung pandinig ko, salamat.
Ako, ingkaya kayong talasuyo. Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.